Good morning friends, my name is Pranay Gundagi and today we will learn numericals on illumination engineering. So let us start. A lamp working on an AC voltage of 250 volt takes a current of 0.8 ampere. It radiates a flux of 3000 lumens. Calculate its luminous efficiency. Find MSCP and express it in per watt. So here in this numerical you have to calculate luminous efficiency, second part MSCP, and also you have to express MSCP into per watt. Okay. So write down first given data. Here the AC voltage, that means lamp working on an AC voltage of 250 volt, that means voltage is given V is equal to 250 volt, then takes a current of 0.8 ampere, that means current is also given, so current is equal to 0.8 ampere. It radiates a flux of 3000 lumens, so here luminous flux is given, so luminous flux is equal to 3000 lumens. Then for calculating luminous efficiency, so luminous efficiency is equal to the lumen produced to the input power. So you have to first calculate input power. So here input power, that means input power of lamp. So input power is equal to the VI into cos pi. Here cos pi is not given, power factor is not given, so you have to consider this value as a 1. So voltage 250 into current 0.8 into power factor 1. Then after solving we get 200 watt. Then now use the formula of luminous efficiency or lamp efficiency. So luminous efficiency is equal to the lumens produced to the input power. To the input power. So lumen produced is given 3000 to the input power. Input power is 200. So after solving we get 15, and unit of luminous efficiency is lumens per watt. Lumen is the unit of luminous flux, lumen produced, and watt is the unit of input power. So here is your first answer, that means luminous efficiency is equal to the 15 lumens per watt. Then second part here, MSCP means spherical candle power. So MSCP is nothing but is equal to the lumens produced to the 4 pi. Lumen produced upon 4 pi. So here lumen produced is given 3000 divided by 4 pi. So when solving we get MSCP 238.73. This is the answer of MSCP. But in this numerical you have to convert this MSCP or express it in per watt. So here MSCP per watt is equal to MSCP to the wattage. That means input power. That means input power. That is means watt. So here MSCP 238.73 to the input power. Input power is now 200. Okay. So we get 1.19. So this is the answer. Thank you.